Welcome to our new site. We've tried to make it easy to navigate and try and make it informative. The first option we'll look at is a search option. If you're looking for a specific rug that you've seen and you know the size, if you enter the size in this format, it will bring up the piece for you directly. Otherwise, you can just search for any term that you want, and anything under those terms will come up. The other thing to look at is the bottom of the page, where you have all the important information that you may need. Next thing to look at is obviously the product gallery page, where all the rugs are. If you click on product gallery itself, it brings up the whole thing, or you can use the different categories that you're interested in. The next option that we can have a look at is the filtering option, which is obviously the most important one. You can search through, again, different categories, but I would suggest if you want to do a search, do on the whole stock. You set the minimum length first, and then the maximum length, and the same with the width, minimum width and the maximum width, and then you press filter, and it will bring up all the pieces within your the size range specified. And if you go back to product gallery again, and if you click on any item, it will bring up obviously the item. You have the description of the item on the right, and even at the bottom you have it with the size and the price. Also, if you click on the photo, you can have a closer look at the close-ups of the rug itself, so you can get a better view of what it is and the colors and the fineness. The next thing to look at, again, as I said before, is being informative, and so you can buy with confidence. We have a worldwide free shipping on our site, and the no quibble 28-day money-back guarantee for your ease of mind. Also, you can request a home visit. We know that ultimately you have to see the carpet in situ to make your final decision. So we bring we bring the rug to you, put it down at no obligation to you, and that would be our home service. The requesting a virtual shopping is another option, where you use Zoom or WhatsApp to look at the piece, and then if you want it, we can again bring and show it to you. You can inquire about the product or print the info sheet, and the return policy is also there in case you wanted to have a look at it, and the details of the rug. In order to help you make an informed decision, we have something that I think is only on our site. It's the 3C table that we have here. And everything is marked out of 20. So you have the wool marked 19 here, which means that the quality of the wool is very good. Basically, the marking is that from about 17 to 20 is excellent, 13 to 16 is good, 10 to 13 is average, and below that you're going to the shabby chic part of things. So the next thing is rarity, whether a piece like this is easy to find or not. Then you have obviously a restoration. Here is marked out of 16, so there's been some restoration done on it, but not a huge amount. Then we look at caliber of the rug. Under caliber, you have weave. It's not about how fine it is. It's not just about that. It's about whether for that type of carpet, the weave is good, because in any type of carpet, you can have good weave and bad weave. Antique value, whether it will in the future have an antique value. This piece is already an antique, so obviously it will have some sort of antique value later. Tinting, any antique rugs that have been repaired, there is some degree of tinting in it. And from 17 upwards, it's really not something that intrudes on the integrity of the carpet. But below that, it starts becoming questionable. Then you have condition, which is about dyes, what quality of dyes are used, if the quality is good or not. You have design, is this a good design, an unusual design, or not a very desirable design in the carpet world especially. And where, again, it's out of 20, for instance, for this carpet, it means that there are some low areas, but for the age and condition, it's actually in a very good condition. So then there is, for each category, there is a total, and for the total 3C that you see. The next thing to look at is the glossary, where you have more information about different regions and places to do with rugs. And we have the blogs, which some of you may find informative and interesting to look at. I hope you'll agree it's a very informative site and will help you choose your rug, and you can always call us or get in touch with us, and we'll try and help you as much as we can. We are always here to help you.